Penfolds Bin 389 is perhaps the most reliable, consistent wine in the whole of the Penfolds collection over the years.
It certainly is, Andrew. You know, that Cabernet Shiraz blend, experimented upon by Max Schubert in the 50s and enacted in 1960 with the release of the first. You know, that lovely marrying of Cabernet, the richness of Shiraz, in this instance in 17, sourced from areas as diverse as the Barossa and McLaren Vale, all the way down to Rattenbully, a region that didn't even exist as such in Max Schubert's days. So multi-regional expressions using those two varieties, 54% Cabernet in this instance, the 17, different vintage, getting a little bit of the material that might have gone into 707 from the southeast, or 169 from the southeast, that didn't hit the mark, has cascaded into the 17. So the smart money is buying 17389.